Coca-Cola has been part of Malaysia since 1936. Coca-Cola relaunched the Malaysian business in 2010.
Hello everyone and selamat sejahtera. We are from Group 1 and today we'll be sharing with you our production operation analysis on Coca-Cola Bottler Malaysia, which is a subsidiary company of Coca-Cola. Stay tuned for more.
Every time we decide to do or choose something, there is always a reason behind it. Similarly, there are specific reasons why we have chosen this company. It's divided into three, which is global brand recognition, commitment to sustainability, and economic impact. The reason number one is global brand recognition. Coca-Cola is one of the company that globally recognized that hardly needs an introduction and having been established in 1886. Its branding is not only recognized within the borders of certain region but is recognized on a global scale, making it an ideal subject for selling, marketing, and customer engagement. The bottling operation actually one of the initiative by the Coca-Cola company in Malaysia, which is doing an important role in supporting its extensive supply chain, which is ensuring high accessibility to consumer worldwide. This point highlights the challenge of maintaining brand consistency while adapting processes to fit local contexts. Additionally, exploring CCBM's role within the Coca-Cola system provides an analytical perspective on how brand recognition influences market positioning and customer loyalty. For the reason of commitment to sustainability is because Coca-Cola Bottler Malaysia is one of the perfect example through its sustainability production to enhance sustainability in both its product and the industry. The organization is also very mindful of its material sourcing, and its goal is to minimize its environmental impact by implementing various measures such as water management, waste management, and efficiency of packaging. In addition, to satisfy the demand for eco-friendly products, CCBM also align with global sustainability goals. Moreover, the various measures worked on by CCBM act as a reference point for other companies in the same industry, which are seeking to improve their sustainability practice. For the last reason, which is economic impact, is because Coca-Cola Bottler Malaysia has affected the economy of the country to the greatest extent. In addition to generating extensive revenue production, the company plays an informative role in job creation, contributing to both direct and indirect employment in the region. CCBM's activities have benefits various sectors including transport, agriculture, and retailing to improve the general economy. Furthermore, the company emphasizes procuring the raw material locally, which has a positive effect on the growth of agriculture and overall growth of the community. Understanding about the economic function of CCBM gives a full picture of how it affects growth at the national growth, particularly in regional areas where sourcing initiatives have the potential to raise the standard of living the farmers. This examination also shows how various business process and economic activity are related and how largest company can indeed benefit a local community.
The Coca-Cola Company founded in 1886 at Atlanta, Georgia by Dr. John Stith Pemberton. In 1888, Asa Griggs Chandler, a businessman who bought Pemberton's formula and rights to the name, developed it into a mass market drink. Chandler also used a heavy promotional campaigns and services associated with bottling and distribution, which fetched Coca-Cola a place further than the United States to become an international company including Malaysia. Coca-Cola Bottling Malaysia, also known as CCBM, established in 1979, and the company has its own production plant in the country. Today, CCBM is a large player in the Coca-Cola material supply chain and has learned from the parent company in brand, supply, and distribution and quality. These are the list of company's products. Sparkling drinks. It includes Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, Schweppes, and A&W. As for the waters and hydration, we have Dasani and also vitamin water. And the last one is juices. We have the Minute Maid brand.
Moving on to the description of operation system, CCBM operates under a highly standardized process that actually mirrors Coca-Cola global manufacturing model. The operation system can be categorized into three primary elements: input, conversion, processes, and outputs. For input, it falls in three main areas, which is raw materials, labor, and capital. Raw material primary input is water, which is essential for all Coca-Cola beverage. Additional raw materials include sweeteners, both cane sugar and high fructose corn syrup. For flavoring and additive, they're using ingredients such as citric acid, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and natural flavor that contribute to Coca-Cola's signature taste. Carbon dioxide is used for carbonation. While for labor, CCBM employs a diverse workforce that comprise skilled and unskilled labor, and regular training programs are implemented. In capital, CCBM invests significantly in the state-of-the-art machinery and technology, which include automated bottling line, a water purification system, and advanced packaging equipment. Next, let's look at the conversion processes where raw materials transform into finished beverage through systematic stages. It starts with preparation and quality control, where all raw materials undergo quality checks upon arrival, then mixing, which is the combination of raw materials, carbonation, filling and bottling, which it can be filled into various containers such as glass bottles, PET bottles, and can, labeling, packaging, the pack for distribution, and lastly, quality assurance. Throughout the process, quality control measure ensures that every product meets high standards. Finally, the output their operations are the finished beverage that ready for consumer. To maintain their standard, they have a comprehensive control system in place. They monitor production in real time with sensors triggering alerts for any deviation. Regular quality inspection and supplier audits ensure that only the best ingredients are used. In case of unexpected challenges such as supply chain disruption, CCBM have a contingency plans ready to activate alternative sourcing strategies to keep their production running smoothly. The operation layout for CCBM is quite interesting. Do note that they currently have another factory extension, and this diagram only covers their main factory block. Key areas of the factory layout are raw material storage, quality control area, mixing and carbonation area, filling and bottling lines, labeling and packaging, finished goods warehouse, and administrative facilities. One interesting fact is they actually revised the layout for their new extension, which show that they keep on trying to make an improvement. For customer perspective, we as a customer, we see that CCBM layout is strategically designed to ensure quality and efficiency. With the quality control area next to raw material storage, it allows for rigorous testing of the material. This proximity combined with streamlined transition between production stages minimize handling time and contamination risks, which is really great. The layout also features a finished goods warehouse near the loading dock, which means faster and speed up order fulfillment and happy customer. Additionally, CCBM commitment to sustainability is evident in their recycling and waste management area. We see that this thoughtful design showcased their dedication to operational and quality excellence and putting CCBM as a leader in the beverage industry. How about their supply chain management? CCBM actually utilized a robust framework that includes procurement. They source raw materials locally and globally. Logistic with advanced systems like GPS tracking and route optimization ensure timely deliveries and reduce costs, improve efficiency. They are also using distribution network, which is direct store delivery and maintain optimal stock level and product freshness. CCBM also employs advanced technique to align production with market needs by analyzing historical sales data and trend. Moving to inventory management, CCBMs believe that effective inventory management is essential for efficiency, which is why they use JIT, just-in-time inventory. Raw materials arrive only as needed, that minimize excess stocks and waste. Inventory tracking system, they use RFID technology for real-time stock monitoring and allow for timely replenishment. They also use FIFO system. This practice ensure older stock is used first and enhance freshness and reducing waste. In summary, CCBM efficient supply chain and inventory management practice ensure a reliable supply of high quality beverage while reinforcing their industry leadership.
For the company performance review, Coca-Cola Bottling Malaysia or CCBM is in a highly competitive beverage industry, analyzing benchmarks frequently to boost operation standards and adapt to industry signal. CCBM, that as of now has the market about 30% occupy the leading position among key Malaysian beverage companies. The company has a very good distribution covering over 200,000 clients across the nation. Thus, it is evident the company offers quality products and customer satisfaction is a top priority. Also, the company has increased its awareness of sustainability, which has helped to build CCBM brands among the customers. In terms of its financial performance, CCBM remains number one and steady improvement in the company's revenues have been attributed to product differentiation and marketing strategies intended to cement the company brands on the market. In the coming future, CCBM has planned to show constant growth in an upcoming 5 years plan by investing in the company's marketing, product differentiation, and environmental responsibility. Currently, the company has only a 10% market share for soft drinks, and the firm plans on expanding its market share to 15% over the next 5 years through expanding its product portfolio from only carbonated beverage to both non-carbonated and health-conscious beverage. Further, we have developed clear strategies that will enable the company to employ various invention in production and distribution of its product and services to its clients, thus cutting on costs and increasing the overall productivity of its service. CCBM must gear up and set up its growth strategy to fit the new progressive needs and wants of the consumers, not only to simply meet but to surpass customer expectation and thereby gaining a better competitive edge in the Malaysian market situation. Now, for the SWOT analysis, there is four. First is strength, two is weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. First is strength. Strong brand image, market coverage, and strong distribution channels allowing for innovative product development and addressing health conscious trends in the market. Number two is weaknesses. CCBM faced challenges such as health conscious market violence, consumer brand perception, and competition from local and international beverage companies requiring a competitive approach for growth. And number three is opportunities. CCBM can capitalize on the growing beverage market by diversifying into health conscious options, aligning with sustainability and working with local communities to boost brand trust. And lastly, trades. CCBM face competition, price cuts, consumer shift towards healthier lifestyle, regulatory change, and economic cycles, making market dynamic challenging and demanding.
Good morning to our lecturer. I'm Roslan. Now we come to conclusion and recommendation section. So, for the first section of this conclusion and recommendation section, uh, is a summary of key finding, where CCBM operation is highly efficient, well managed and optimally utilized. Key market factors such as health conscious consumer preference and competitive pressure significantly influence the company strategic decision. To address this challenge, CCBM should focus on implementing Six Sigma, TQM, Lean principles, and JIT strategy. This will help improve operational efficiency, reduce defect, enhance flexibility, and minimize costs, ensuring that CCBM remain competitive in the market. Next, strategic recommendation. To achieve the sustainability growth, CCBM should implement targeted market campaign that leverage consumer behavior research to enhance brand engagement and increase market share in the key demographics. Additionally, optimizing supply chain efficiency through advanced analytical and technology solution can help reduce operational costs and improve service delivery. To measure the effectiveness of these strategies and ensure alignment with the overall business objective, clear KPIs such as customer satisfaction score and sales growth rate should be established. For future consideration, to successfully implement strategy initiative, CCBM should anticipate a potential challenge such as resource allocation, employee training, and resistance to change. Additionally, exploring avenue for innovation in product offering and sustainability practice can help enhance the company market position and align with consumer trend toward eco-friendliness. For long-term growth, CCBM should develop a comprehensive strategy that incorporates market expansion, diversification of product line, and investment in technology to ensure sustained competitive advantage. So, for final thought, the analysis underscore the critical role of identified variables in shaping CCBM's operational effectiveness, highlighting the need for data-driven decision making to enhance performance, engaging stakeholders in implementation of strategic recommendation is essential for fostering collaboration and ensuring alignment with CCBM long-term uh, objectives. By emphasizing a culture of continuous improvement and adaptability, CCBM can effectively respond to market change and sustain competitive advantage over time.